Listen to tales of men of quill at Depford by the Thames. Kid Marlowe climbs the river's hill, the pub's light dimly gleams. Stand firm, my heart, and courage take, I must not fear my plight. With cloak and fear he will not break, he found his friends that night. Vere with gaze as cold as night, then Jonson's wit ablaze. Will stories on a parchment bright, Thomas Kyd his tragic days. None on the river bend does ask, none there is the reply. At Depford by the Thames they met, so listen to my tale. Listen to tales of men of quill at Depford by the Thames. Kid Marlowe climbs the river's hill, the pub's light dimly gleams. Stand firm, my heart, and courage take, I must not fear my plight. With cloak and fear he will not break, he found his friends that night. Vere with gaze as cold as night, then Jonson's wit ablaze. Will stories on a parchment bright, Thomas Kyd his tragic days. None on the river bend does ask, none there is the reply. At Depford by the Thames they met, so listen to my tale. None on the river bend does ask, none there is the reply. At Depford by the Thames they met, so listen to my tale.